Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I'm Christine Dalo, 24 years old, single. I have one child, 7 years old. I'm living in Ditaron, Divilacan, Isabela. I have one sister, and I'm the youngest of the family. I'm a college level. I took Bachelor in Science of Education, major in Filipino.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I have a work experience in Kawayan City, Philippines for 2 years with 7 members, one couple with their 4 children, 12, 10, 8, and 6 of ages, one elderly. I'll do all household chores like cleaning, fetching, ironing, dishwashing, and car washing. Also, take care of the children.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
When baby is sick, first I will check the temperature. If the baby is sick, I will call my employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I'm trustworthy, humble, responsible person, and happy person.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I wanted work abroad to earn money and provide my family needs, especially to my beloved son.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take care of your child?
My family.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will be focused to my work, and I will call my family and remind myself that I will need this job for my family.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep at 10 p.m. in the evening, and I wake up at 5 p.m. in the morning.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are so far active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be calm and be patient, sir.
Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share a room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir. As if needed, I will extend.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I will try. I will try and to learn how to cook.
Okay. Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. There was a farmer had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, I hope you select me to be as your helper. I am humble and responsible person. I will do all my best to serve your family. Thank you.